This 2024 Winnebago Vista 29V is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features leveling jacks, refrigerator, microwave, TV, smoke detector, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, oven, water heater, slide-out, and 77 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2024 Winnebago Vista 29V is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford 7.3 dual-valve free-breathing V8 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.